these jeans, I really like them. I do. I really love them. I love the color. I like how dark it is. But honestly, I never really wear them. So what I want to do is to turn them into a skirt, and I think the length is perfect for a skirt, but not for jeans. It's just like I hate short. So I find it very awkward. I like it when they're like. So yeah, excited. I really love these jeans. I love the color, I love the fit, but I wore them out, so they're like torn in the middle. And ladies with thick thighs, I'm sure you can relate that. No friction. But yeah, so they're like really torn in the middle, so I really like them and I just want to keep them, so I'm gonna turn them into a skirt. So yeah. I really wanted to like this, like having the slit in the back, which I think is so cute. I'll probably prefer it a bit higher. However, the front part does not look cute. It's just this line going down, and like the leg, these leg parts, I can see them kind of coming forward. I don't like that, so I'm going to unstitch it and do it like how I showed you, like what would the denim, the blue one, will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and close off the back and open up the front. But so far, this is, I love it. It's snatched. love, 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 love this. This is this. What's this? What is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I need to go back and just stitch that all the way down so that it's nice and straight.